Hey everyone, welcome back to Temp Game Dev. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up, creating exploding parts in Lua for your Roblox games. But here's the catch, we'll be comparing two different approaches to achieve this effect. Let's dive in. In front of me, I have two code snippets, each showcasing a unique way to make parts explode. Let's break them down and see the differences. Alright, here's our first snippet. We're using Roblox's built-in explosion class. It's a simpler approach, introducing delays and manipulating transparency and collision properties. Now let's move on to the second snippet. This time, we're using a custom particle emitter to create a more visually customized explosion effect. We check for a specific attribute and even involve some player-related logic for extra functionality. Consider your game's requirements and your coding preferences when making a choice. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Let's quickly highlight the key differences between the two. Customization, complexity, and performance are crucial factors to consider when choosing an approach. On the left, we have the custom particle emitter approach, and on the right, we have the explosion class approach. Notice the differences in appearance and behavior. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of each approach. The custom approach offers more flexibility and customization, but it might be more complex. On the other hand, the built-in explosion class is simpler but has its limitations. And there you have it, folks. Exploding parts in Lua with two different approaches. Whether you go for the custom particle emitter or the built-in explosion class, it ultimately depends on your game's needs and your coding style. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on game development, Lua scripting, and programming tips. Until next time, happy coding.